If you've ever wanted to enter text anywhere in Microsoft Word, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it. Whether you're trying to place text in an open area of the page, add a note in a specific spot, or create a floating text box, Word gives you a few simple options. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the exact spot where you want to enter your text. This part is important because Word will place the cursor based on where you click. If you want to type directly into the document body, simply position your mouse where the text should begin and double-click. Once you double-click, Word will place the cursor at that location, and you may see automatic spacing or tabs appear to help align the text. From there, you can start typing immediately. This is the fastest way to enter text in a specific area of your document. Now, if you want more control over where the text sits on the page, the better option is to use a text box. A text box lets you place text almost anywhere, separate from the normal paragraph flow. To do this, go up to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Once you're in the Insert menu, look for the text box option and click it. You'll usually see a few choices here. Select either Draw Text Box or Simple Text Box, depending on the layout you want. If you choose Simple Text Box, Word will insert a pre-formatted box that you can type into right away. If you choose Draw Text Box, your mouse will change so you can click and drag to create the box size you want. This is especially useful if you need a custom shape or a more precise placement. After the box appears, click inside it and type your text. The great thing about using a text box is that you can move it around the page, resize it, and place it in spots where normal typing would not work as neatly. This is perfect for forms, flyers, documents, labels, callouts, or any layout where text needs to sit in a very specific place. If your text box is not aligned the way you want, you can drag it to another location and adjust it until it looks right. So, just to recap, if you want to enter text directly into a spot in your document, double-click where you want it and start typing. And if you want to place text anywhere on the page with more flexibility, use Insert, then Text Box, and choose either Draw Text Box or Simple Text Box. Both methods are easy, and once you know them, they make working in Microsoft Word a lot faster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.